Hello everyone, welcome back to Big Beta Algo Trade. So today we are trading in Bank Nifty options in monthly contract. So previously closing prices are about 36,950. So we have selected the strike price of 36,900. So that is at the money of the previous closing price. So if you get the buy signal future, then call option go for buy. If you get the sell signal future, then put option go for buy. Let's see what happens. It has taken a sell entry in future, so put option will be in buy. So market price is 36,443. So using this rope you can do your own strategy also. So it will be very useful for working professionals. They don't need to watch the market. So based on the given conditions, it will trade automatically. So as of now we have 8,000 profit. So we have set profit to 25,000. So once it reaches 25,000 target, it will square for position automatically. And most of the time we can finish our trade before 30 minutes. Let's see how long it takes today. So almost on 23,000 profit here. So it has reached our target now. Okay. So in call option we don't have any entry today. In put option we have 25,062 profit. You can see here. So let's see the order book now. So first we bought a put option at 664.05. Then a squared off at 684.1. So within 50 seconds we have completed today. So today our overall profit is 25,062. So if you need to with this, we can WhatsApp number shown on the screen. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel to get the updates. Thank you.